Hey guys, Geeking to everyone. On this video I'm gonna tell you how to call command works in Linux. The call is the command line utility which shows the calendar on the terminal. The call is the abbreviated form of calendar and it's simple command which no many options. So let's check it out how it works in practical way. Firstly, I'm gonna show you how you can get some info about this command in Linux operational system. You can use the man command to get a manual of command you specify. I specify the call command, so press enter. On this manual you can find some information about this command, included information about options, basic information about synopsis, description, so don't hesitate to check this manual out. Let's clear the terminal. If you type call command without any option, let's press enter. On the output there is a calendar of current month of current year and the current day is highlighted. If you want to print a specific month of specific year, you can use a call command. Then you have to specify the months in numeric way. So first means January, 12th means December, and on this range all months matched to specific number. So 3 means March, etc. I wanna print on terminal the calendar of March for previous year 2022. As you can see on the output there is a calendar of March 2022. If you want to get an entire calendar of specific year, you have to type call and then specify the year you want to print the calendar. I want to print the calendar of the year 2020, so press enter. On output you can see the calendar of 2020. If you want to print the current, previous and next month, you can use a call with -3 option. So press enter. Current month March, previous one is February, next is April. So if you want to print the calendar like that, use this option. Also, if you want to save the calendar into the file, you can use the command like that. So by this command I created a file, calendar of 3 months. And if you check the content inside this file, you can see there is a calendar of 3 months inside this file. So thanks guys for watching this video. Thank you. Ciao ciao.